Okay, good morning 10B3. I am going to take you through a little introductory video for your next topic on photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis is just all to do with how plants make their food and how they grow. But before we're going to start that topic, I'm just going to do a bit of a refresher on our Year 8 topic on cells. So, what I want you guys to have by the end of today is a lovely sheet which looks like this. This is one I've just made, where we've got an A4 page and it's split into two, and we've got our two different types of cells. We've got an animal cell and a plant cell. So for this lesson, you're going to need about 7 or 8 different colours, fill tips, colouring pencils. I even use crayons, and I'm going to talk you through. So if you need to pause the video now and then go collect those things, that's no problem. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to split your page in two. So just imagine you've just folded it in two, just like I have with mine. The top left, I'm going to call this the plant cell. And then I've got my animal cell on this side. Okay, then we're going to get ready to draw our two types of cell. Now, I'm going to focus on the plant cell first. So remember, I'm on this half of the page. There's the plant cell. Okay, so our plant cell has a cell wall around the outside. And that wall, just like a wall of a building, provides support. Okay, next it has a cell membrane. And that membrane is like the security guard for the cell. It allows some things in, some things out, but not everything. So think of the cell membrane as a security guard. Okay, next then, we've got the nucleus. I'm going to draw my nucleus down here. Okay, and my nucleus is like the control center. That's like the big busy hub for the whole cell. It controls everything that the cell does. Okay, all this you should remember from Year 8. Next then, I've got chloroplasts. And I want you to do your chloroplasts hopefully in green. Hopefully you haven't done anything else in green. Remember, change your colours for everything. And the reason I'm doing these in green is because they contain a pigment called chlorophyll. And chlorophyll is green, and that's actually what gives the plants their green colour. I'm actually good at doing this. So, shading all your green, I need to fix some of these ones that weren't complete. Hopefully now I'll be able to shade them all in. Okay, so I'm going to label that as my chloroplasts. If you need to pause this video if I'm going too quick, no problem. And they are actually where the plant makes its food. Okay, next then I've got a vacuole. Okay, and that's quite big, and that contains the cell sap. Okay, and the last thing that we're missing, now I have run out of colours, so I'm going to do this in a black, but please, if you've got a different colour, please use a different one. But all this in here, I'm going to do it slightly dashed. That is known as the cytoplasm. And that is a jelly-like substance where chemical reactions occur. That is the cytoplasm. And that is our plant cell. Now you need to be able to draw that and label it and tell me about the different parts of the plant cell. Next then, so we're going to go to the right hand side of your page and we're going to go our animal cell. So you've got your line there. Our animal cell has much less in it than a plant cell. So I'm going to do my cell membrane again in the black. So it's got the cell membrane. Remember, it's a security guard. An animal cell doesn't need a cell wall because we've got bones and we've got our vertebrae and everything to provide us with support, where a plant cell doesn't have that. We have also got a nucleus still in our animal cell. So we've still got that control center. So remember, that's what the nucleus is. And this time I'm going to do my cytoplasm in red, just because I've got the different colours. And that is our cytoplasm. So now you've got your animal cell and your plant cell labelled, and you should have something that looks just like mine. So there you go, the plant cell and the animal cell. So I would like a picture of this uploaded onto Google Drive and onto the Google Classroom, sorry. I would also like you to complete question 1 on page 15 of your new booklet and upload a picture of that. This page that you've now done of the plant and the animal cell, could you please staple that into the back of your book or stick it in somewhere, please? Thank you.